Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to episode 23 of an overhaul on a Bolex Rex, fabricating a new fader port. And that's what we're doing here. So I'm grinding down, filing down this port in different areas for the fader with the diamond file here. So as you can see so far, what we've got going on. Alright, so on that, more to come. Let's keep working. Okay, let's take a look at the progress so far. There we go. This end here I have to smooth out, of course, coming from here to here. I've got to add the other notch, but right in here you see I've made the other notches up top all the way down through there. Alright, so separating the old part from the new part. So far, there we go. New fader part is coming along just fine. More to come. Okay, so let's take a look at the progress yet again. Here's the part, just as so, and I've got all the nooks in there. I still have to flatten it out, smooth it out, so remove the old part. Place it on the wood block, and here is the new part so far. Back, and it's still got to be smoothed out, flattened, and more things until I'm finished with it. So until that time comes, I'm continuing with the process. Just a bit more to go, and then I have to size it into make sure everything fits into the Bolex. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, see ya.